Many animals on Earth depend on the demise of others for survival. But when it comes to pets, no one wants to face such a harsh reality. One day, a mother dog found herself in a life or death struggle against a massive python, determined to protect her puppies. As the snake lunged and coiled around her, she could barely breathe, and her chances of survival seemed slim. Meanwhile, her owners, Anna and Peter, were inside their house, unaware of the terrifying battle unfolding outside. The mother dog had become a cherished member of their family, and losing her would be devastating. Anna and Peter had moved to a large farm in South Africa and quickly realized their old dog couldn't guard such an extensive property. They brought home a German Shepherd puppy named Brutus, who grew strong and formed a close bond with Peter. Though Brutus was loyal and loving, Anna often felt uneasy when left alone on the farm. To ease her fears, Peter surprised her with another German Shepherd, a female named Coco. The two dogs became best friends, and life on the farm felt complete. However, tragedy struck when Brutus mysteriously disappeared. After a frantic search, Anna and Peter found horrifying signs, a trail of fur and blood near the tracks of a massive snake. Brutus was gone, and the couple was heartbroken. The snake that took him vanished, leaving them on edge, fearing it might return. Months passed, and as winter arrived, the python remained hidden. The grief of losing Brutus weighed heavily on the family, but an unexpected miracle brought some joy. Coco was pregnant with Brutus's puppies. As the couple prepared for the birth, they took every precaution to keep her safe. One evening, when they returned home, they found Coco had already given birth to two puppies, and soon after, a third arrived. The last puppy struggled to breathe, but Peter managed to revive him. The puppies became a source of happiness, helping Anna and Peter heal. Life on the farm finally felt peaceful again, but their joy was short-lived, as danger was still lurking closer than they imagined. As spring arrived, the puppies grew and began to explore the yard under Coco's watchful eye. The family had fenced the property, believing it would keep them safe, but one day, Coco sensed something was wrong. Before she could react, her puppies wandered dangerously close to a massive python, the same one that had likely taken Brutus. In a desperate attempt to protect them, Coco leaped in front of the snake, shielding her pups. She was so focused on them that she failed to notice the snake moving toward her. In an instant, the python struck, coiling around Coco and squeezing tightly. She tried to fight back, but the snake's grip was relentless. Anna and Peter were unaware of the danger until the frantic barking of the puppies alerted them. Rushing outside, Anna was horrified to see Coco being crushed by the enormous snake. She screamed for Peter to bring vinegar, knowing it could force the python to release its grip. While the puppies barked helplessly, Anna secured them in a crate, desperate to save Coco. When Peter arrived, he poured vinegar onto the snake's mouth, causing it to loosen its hold. With quick teamwork, they began unwrapping the python from Coco, starting from its tail. The battle between life and death wasn't over yet, but Anna and Peter were determined not to lose another beloved dog to the same predator. With one final effort, Peter and Anna managed to pry the massive python off Coco, tossing it far from their beloved dog. Gasping for breath, Coco lay motionless for a moment before weakly lifting her head. Relief flooded over them as she slowly regained her strength. The puppies huddled close to their mother, whimpering softly. Determined to prevent another tragedy, Peter ensured the snake was driven far away from their land. Though shaken, Coco survived, proving her unwavering bravery as a mother. From that day on, Anna and Peter remained extra vigilant, knowing that dangers still lurked in the wild. But as they watched Coco cuddle her puppies under the warm sun, they knew that love, resilience, and courage had won the battle that day.